In this topic, Trainee will learn about configure VPN and Windows Server 2012 R2. In my previous video, I explained how to install a VPN and Windows Server 2012 R2. In today's video, you will learn how to configure VPN and Windows Server 2012 R2. Open Server Manager and click on Remote Access. Select your server and right click on it and then click on Remote Access Management. Run the Getting Started wizard. Press Deploy VPN only and it will be installed. Select your server and right click on it. Choose Configure and enable routing and remote access. A new wizard will start. Click on Next. Select Custom Configuration and click on Next. Select only VPN access. Click on Finish. Complete the procedure and start the service. Note that router and firewall must be properly configured to support VPN functionalities. Enable the users for the remote access. You can enable users for the remote access from the Active Directory properties. Go to Active Directory properties and click on Allow Access.